In this video, we are going to see the drugs for sneezing and runny nose, typical of colds and flu. As we see on this page, there are two classes of drugs: anti-H1 antihistamines, only those with anticholinergic property. The second class, quaternary ammonium. Let's see the first. They block sneezing and a runny nose, by blocking H1 receptors, and by anticholinergic effect. As they are antihistamines, they can also be used for allergies. One of the common side effects is drowsiness, which is why some are also used, in some countries, for occasional insomnia, as over-the-counter medications. Other uses are for nausea and vomiting, motion sickness, and dry cough. As written here, they are not recommended in case of sinusitis, because they block the drainage and secretion process of the sinus mucosa, favoring bacterial infections. The first three active ingredients are very similar. Diphenhydramine is also used for dry coughs, allergies, motion sickness, nausea and vomiting. In some countries for occasional insomnia. Then we have doxylamine, also used for allergies, for nausea and vomiting, and for occasional insomnia. The phenyramine also for allergies. The mipyramine also for dry coughs, allergies, nausea, vomiting, and for occasional insomnia. Promethazine also has various uses, including insomnia. Finally, the last two can also be used for allergies. Here we can see some of the OTC products on the market in the USA, UK, Ireland. First of all, remember that all products containing anti-H1 antihistamines, useful for a runny nose, can cause drowsiness. Let's see, for example, in the USA, there are products with anti-H1 antihistamines on its own. Therefore, diphenhydramine, also useful for dry cough. This means that, in case the symptoms are runny nose and dry cough, only one active ingredient would be enough. Then we have products with doxylamine, or chlorpheniramine. Then products with combinations, with phenylephrine for nasal congestion, with phenylephrine and dextromethorphan when there is also dry cough. Here again with phenylephrine. The next one contain paracetamol for pain and fever. A little further below we even have products with 4 active ingredient. For example, paracetamol for pain and fever, dextromethorphan for dry cough, chlorpheniramine for sneezing and runny nose, phenylephrine for the nasal congestion. Very similar the next ones. In those products we have ibuprofen as painkiller. Let's see now in UK. We have products with chlorphenamine, products with diphenhydramine, some with also levomenthol, then combinations with paracetamol, for pain and temperature, with pseudoephedrine, for nasal congestion, or with dextromethorphan, for dry cough, and guaifenesin, in case we need an expectorant for phlegm. As we see also in the UK there are many products with different combinations. Now, let's see in Ireland. Alike, products with anti-H1 antihistamines on its own, and combinations with other active ingredients. The second class includes 2 active ingredients. The first, ipratropium bromide, which is also used for asthma and chronic bronchitis. The second is isopropamide, also used to treat ulcers, and gastrointestinal or urinary tract cramps. Both do not have the drowsiness side effect as the previous class. On the market does not appear to have OTC products available for the USA or Ireland. However, there is a product in UK, called Otrivine Extra Dual Nasal Spray, which can be used when the symptom of a runny nose is also accompanied by a stuffy nose. Here at the end, on the green rectangles, the links if I want to quickly find the product on the market that can be used simultaneously for multiple symptoms. For example, let's see for runny nose, with dry cough, and pain. On this page we can see some of the products on sale in the USA, in the UK, in Ireland. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.